Hi, I'm Patrick Dooley. I'm the Senior Product Manager for GitLab's Ecosystem Group, and this is our 13.8 kickoff. It's going to be a somewhat light milestone because of the holidays, so happy holidays. I hope you're spending time with friends and family. We're going to be working on a few items, though, and the theme will continue to be Jira, this milestone, as it has been for the last few. The first thing I want to talk about is feature flag information is being added to Jira. So we've got a connect application that for the last few milestones we've been adding data to. We've previously added branch information. We've added build information in 13.7, deployment information in 13.7, and in 13.8 we're going to add feature flag data. So that'll complete the set of data that the Connect application can accept. So we will now be sending all available data to that, and that shows up in the developer panel inside of Jira. And then we're going to be working on the Jira issues list. So we added this a few milestones back, and it's very basic in functionality. Right now, just shows you a list of issues. What we're going to do is start working on the ability to filter those issues. The first piece is filtering by status. Once we have the ability to do that, we can start to add more filters and make it more interesting by adding different ways of slicing and dicing that data. So against status, assignee, and author. And then this will also tie into the work that we're currently in the design phase on for adding the detail view of the issue list. So that's awesome. I hope that'll make that a lot more useful. And then this has slipped for some time. We want to kind of revisit this and try to get this wrapped up. Our front-end engineer has already started work on this previously, but right now the way that you configure transition IDs, I think we have a screenshot here, is by integer. And so to put in your transition ID by integer isn't very intuitive, and what we'd like to see instead is a visual way to select available transitions. And finally, there's a bug that we're working on. One of our engineers has been working on this for a little bit. The MR status is not syncing to the Connect application. And what we've also found from this is we've got opened up a few other issues to allow manual syncing. So we've got a couple of little lightweight issues that we've added to talk about fixing this, but then also expanding that ability to be able to manually sync in a couple of different places so that when you connect your namespace, that data automatically gets synced, and then you can also manually sync as well to make it easier to get all of that data in a consumable way instead of only looking at future data. So what that means is in your Connect application, if you have used the Connect application, in the developer panel, it shows all of the branches, deployments, commits, builds, feature flags, right? Like that thing that we're adding in 13.8. All of that data today only shows once it's been connected moving forward. So we need the ability to do that retroactively as well. So that's 13.8. It's going to be a lightweight milestone, but it'll still be the best release ever. And I'll see you in January. Happy holidays.